Hi, welcome to Ask Jaclyn. I'm Jaclyn St. James here to answer your questions. Today I have Amanda from Wisconsin, and she asked, should I baste my turkey while it bakes? Okay, well, there are two ways of doing it. The expert's way or my way. Okay, so the experts say that by basting the turkey, you're wasting your time. It's not going to make the meat juicier. You're taking more time to cook it because you're opening the oven door and letting the heat out and all that. And it just says that basting the turkey is pretty much a waste of time. Now, I'm gonna beg to differ because I've had other people's turkeys. Now, I'm not one to cook, and a lot of people out there know I hate cooking. Cooking is just one of the worst things that I could ever think about doing. I hate it. I don't like cooking for myself. I don't like cooking for others. But when Thanksgiving comes around, I love cooking. I don't know why, but it's just that one day, and I absolutely love to cook. Everything I love to do myself. But I have always got so many compliments on my Thanksgiving turkey. I mean, it's moist. It's delicious, and it comes out fabulous. So if you want to listen to those boring experts, then go ahead. But I recommend that you listen to me. I mean, this goes way back in my family. We have done this. We have basted our turkeys. Now, I'm also going to tell you another little thing that I do. I don't cook my stuffing in the turkey. I actually cook my stuffing the night before because the way I do my stuffing, it tastes better the day after. So, but that's a whole nother story. But basically, in the morning, I get up early before the Macy's Day Thanksgiving Day Parade, and I get ready for my turkey. And I just kind of just put all my seasonings on it, my oil first, and then I put my seasonings on top. Paprika, onion, salt, garlic, salt, and pepper to taste. Anything that you want to do, however you want to do it. A little bit of rosemary, anything. And then I go ahead and I open up a can or open up a box of the chicken broth. Now, I usually get the little box. I think it starts with the W, I'm not sure, but I should have had a box. But it's a little box about this big, and it has a little flip top. And I use about half a box, and then I use the other half for something like chicken soup or something later. But I just go ahead and pour it in the pan because you got to remember, the turkey is going to go ahead and make its own juices, so you don't want it to overflow and then dirty your oven, because then that's a whole other mess, and I don't clean like that either. I just don't want to clean. Oils and all that in the oven is just a mess. But anyway, I don't put my stuffing inside the turkey. What I do is I was using an apple. I peel an apple and stick it in the turkey. But now I put in 2 onions. I just think that the flavor of the onion, I don't know, to me it just makes the turkey moist. I don't know if it's true or what, but all I know is that everybody who ever eats my turkey has always complimented it. It's always come out juicy. It's always come out great, and everyone just absolutely loves it. So you can listen to the experts or you can listen to me. I mean, I suggest that you listen to me. This goes way back in my family about basting my turkey. So, I don't know. That's just the base it is. You know, I baste it every 15 minutes. Every commercial that I go after the parade, I go and I baste my turkey. And I just use my little baster. I squeeze about 1 ounce or 2 ounces, whichever how big yours is. I like bigger. But but you can go ahead and take 2 ounces of the drippings and just baste the turkey. That's all you have to do. It's easy as that. And if they feel that it's going to take a long time, it's not going to take that much time for my oven to get hot. I don't believe that. But again, I believe in tradition, and my family has been doing this way for years. So there you have it. I mean, it's your decision. Follow the experts, or follow my time-old family traditions that you can incorporate into your home. I hope this helps you, Amanda, in Wisconsin. And I want to say happy Thanksgiving, my love, to you and to all of my viewers. Again, happy Thanksgiving.